Hi students, this is a new updated version of Come As You Are, and I typed in the strums. The strum for the verses, come as you are, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then the chorus, the second page, it's down, up, down, up, down, up. And I swear that I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun. And that's repeated. When it says 2x right here, that means that that's played twice. You play it once and you repeat it once to play it twice. The form of the piece is start at the top and you go down the first page. Second page is repeated a bit and we don't go back to the first page at all. After the chorus, you do the memory. We'll skip ad-lib. Ad-lib is a 10 times, that's the solo. And it sounds like a baritone guitar or a bass guitar, real low, boom, 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 on a song. We'll skip that and we'll just do memory, yeah, memory, 4 times, and then we go back to the chorus, which is the top, and you play this as you did before, repeating this line. Repeating it, playing it twice, and then you skip down to the final memory, yeah, 2 times and it ends. Disregard this strum right here. I should have whited it out, but this is the strum you see right here. Let's give it a try, and slow tempo. Starts off with 4 times of the intro of that chord, this chord. Of course, what's actually on top of that I'll sing that part and play the chords. So 1, 2, ready, intro. Da, 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 da. Okay, that was a spirited tempo. That was a little faster when we took it in class, but that's what you should aspire to. And in reality, the original by Nirvana is much faster. All right, have fun with that.